Hello guys, I'm back with another video on my Terraria series about bosses. And this time I'm gonna be defeating Slime King. And but basically how you craft him is you need gold and some gel from slimes that they drop from slimes. Basically you need to craft a golden crown. Let me see where the golden crown is. Okay, somewhere here. Okay, here. So I need 1 ruby. Take a ruby. Okay, now to create a golden crown. What the? Oh, okay. Now to create a golden crown. I do. Here I need to put this back in here. Sorry for the hold up. I just have a lot of stuff in my inventory and it's really hard to get the stuff organized. Okay, now I'll put this stuff back. Well guys, oh, what? Okay. Now, what you have to do is, get 99 slime. I'll get back when I get the 99 slime. So I got 99 gel, and that's the amount you need. And if you're wondering how we got it so fast, I have this farming structure right here for animals and stuff. And yeah, that's how I got it that fast. And now, to craft it, I'll do that. I'll see you guys when I craft it. So I have my crown and my gel, and I'm at a demon altar. Now, oh, a meteorite has landed. But, so basically you craft it, and the spawning thing looks like this. Yeah. Pretty cool. So, I'm gonna craft it. And, I'm gonna go to my other world and fight it. And I'll see you guys at my arena. So, I'm at my arena, guys. And, for the King Slime, you can actually spawn him while it's daytime, which is different than the other bosses. Most of the other bosses, because you usually can only spawn them at night. So, let's do this. By the way, in my opinion, King Slime, the Slime King, yeah, King Slime, Slime King, whatever you want to call it, it's in my opinion the easiest boss in the game. So if you want to do King Slime first, then you actually should. Let me look for him. Okay, he's there. Yeah. Okay, I see the ninja guy. He doesn't do that much damage either. Plus, he doesn't have very much health. Get up, huh? He can't really jump that high either, which is pretty trash because he's a slime. But what is good about him is he gives very good stuff. Like, look at this stuff. So he gave me a slime hook, which is just a hook but made of slime. A lot of gel. And, yeah, that's like the stuff he gives. But they're pretty good. But not only that, he gives clothes. Like, he gave me a ninja shirt. Isn't that cool? Yeah, I bet you think it's cool. Well, that's the slime for you guys. That's King Slime for you guys. Please subscribe. I am in needing of subscribers, and bye.